What is up, guys? This is Vanity tutorial here, and today I'm going to be reviewing a brand new product called the Vanity mirror lights, right? So basically you can see over here is DIY vanity mirror lights, meaning they give you all the pieces and you just have to construct it yourself, okay? So I got these on Amazon with, I believe it has 10 bulbs, but I'll double check it again. But I got it for $22, okay, on Amazon with 10 bulbs. And yeah, so basically this just goes on your vanity, right? So to provide some extra lights, let's just look at the box all around. So meet different self, I don't know what that is. So this over here is just giving some basic instructions on how to connect it. But yeah, the box is pretty simple, just regular DIY vanity lights and then some barcode, right? Not really much to it. Right, so let's open it and see what's inside. So the first thing is user manual. Okay, obviously like just basic how to basically set it up. Okay, not really much there, but you know, keep it on the side. Alright, and these are the sticky adhesives I believe you put on the bulbs and the vanities. So basically how to connect those two. So I'll put those on the side. And here are the bulbs. Okay, so you can see they're tiny bulbs right here, right? I'm assuming it's LED lights, right? I'll connect a few and see how bright they are, right? So I'll take that out, put it on the side. I'll take out a few. Okay, so I don't know if I have to connect all of them, but basically, so how many did that's 8? Yeah, so I have the 10 pack. Alright, so these are some extra, well not extra, but these are the wires needed to connect the bulbs together and then eventually to the outlet. Right, so we have some more adhesives here, put that on the side. Alright, these bulbs, these wires connect the bulbs together. Okay, so let me just untangle it. Alright, I don't want this to be tangled together, so I'll just take one out. Right, and you can see over here the endings match, so I'll put, hold on, can't really see. Okay, so here you can see there's a little notch on top. So that one the notch goes on the bottom of the light. Okay, that's in. And same thing with this side. Alright, so these two lights are connected together. And now let's open this pack over here. I'm gonna need an outlet, but basically I'll just connect this one from the outlet one into this. Right, and here is the outlet. It's a USB outlet, right? And then there's also this, I believe this is the power button, right? And so let me untangle this and get a USB outlet. I'll put this right here. Alright, so the wire is pretty long, right? So even if you don't have it right next to you, it is still fine because it's pretty long, so it can fit behind your vanity or on the side or anywhere. It doesn't really it won't really affect it in a bad way because you know you have room. You won't have to put it in an odd position, right? So whatever extra wire you have, you can just roll it up like right here, right? So let me just get an outlet real quick. So I'm just going to have to move the camera slightly to the side because my outlet is under the table. I should have thought of this before making the video, but that's fine. Okay, so I plugged it in. You can see this blue light got illuminated, right? And there we are. So over here, I don't know if you can tell in the video, but they're two different colors. So you can have it alternating, like, so I don't know if you can see in the video, but this is a more cooler color, bluish, and this is a more warmer color, more like yellowish, right? So you can change it, alternate it. Now it's the opposite, so this is blue, now that's yellow. Or you can have it the same. These two are both the same color. They're, I guess, more brighter on the bluer side, but they're not necessarily blue. Okay, so it gets really bright. You can see right here. That's how bright it is. You can't really see anything else on the video. So I'll just lower the brightness. That's the lowest brightness, right? So yeah, this is really cool. This is a lot cooler than I thought it was gonna be, right? I'm definitely satisfied with this purchase, right? I would definitely recommend this to anyone, right? If you guys are looking to buy it, remember I got it from Amazon for around $22 for a pack of 10. I believe you can also get 8 bulbs as well, right? Which is slightly cheaper, but the 8 bulbs wasn't really that different. Right, the price was like, I believe $2-3 difference. So I just got the 10 because I didn't really do any measurements, and 10 is the highest. So I didn't really do any measurements or anything, and hopefully 10 will fit what I need to fit, right? But from the looks of it, I believe it will fit, right? So yeah, they're dimmable, right? They have different light temperatures, right? They're LED bulbs, so they're good. They won't be taking up a lot of electricity or anything, and they won't be generating a lot of heat, right? So yeah, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I will definitely get back to you, and if you like the video, make sure to like it, and I will see you guys next time.